Hello and welcome to another midweek analysis video brought to you by Learnity. My name is Philip, and as usual, we'll be heading on towards our midweek analysis overview. In previous week, we were looking for price to actually run down into this weekly fair value gap, of which we have seen price actually meet our target. This is what we were expecting price to do last week, to dip into this weekly fair value gap, because this is a form of internal range liquidity. Now, what we are looking for is a move to the upside. All right, because we know that price moved from internal range liquidity to external range liquidity. So currently price is in a weekly internal range liquidity. So what we want to see is, does price have the ability to change its direction and seek the external range liquidity, or is it going to continue going lower to seek another external range liquidity after taking out this old high over here? So if we go into the daily time frame, we'll be looking for signatures of short-term bullishness to see if it's going to align with our long-term objective, which is what we just saw on the weekly time frame. Currently we can see that there are no signs of bullishness on the 4-hour or on the daily, so we need to wait for more confirmation to see if that is going to be the case. If we are going to start developing bullish candles and bullish structure on the 4-hour and the 1-hour, then we can trade in that alignment, because it is also in the same perspective with what we are looking for on the weekly time frame. So particularly on the 4-hour, I want to start seeing structures like this, and then that would allow me to engage in this price action. So since we're looking at the DXY, it means that on Euro USD we'll be looking for bearishness. All right, we'll be looking for price to start making what bearish structure to seek this external range liquidity over here. All right, and then also the same case for GBP USD, because we know that once we analyze and trade a DXY, all right, we'll be doing the opposite of that for every foreign currency pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD, and NZD USD. So on GBP USD, we are also expecting those bearish structure to start forming, and then we can participate. While on USD CAD and USD JPY, we'll be looking at it from the standpoint of the DXY. All right, we want to see price start making bullish structures, and then we can participate and engage in USD CAD to take out this old high over here. And the same thing is also going to be said on USD JPY, but preferably I'll stick to USD CAD than looking at USD JPY. And this rounds it up for the midweek analysis video. If you're going to be trading alongside this idea and narrative, please do ensure you use appropriate risk management sizes and make sure you do not over leverage. Until I come your way again next time, remember to always trade well and trade safe.